welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of affordable and expensive makeup and also fabulous drag looks on Fridays. In this video, I'm doing a Colourpop mystery box unboxing, and this is gonna be unboxing, showing you what's the tea, what's the shade, what I got, and what the value is, and if it's actually worth it, and what you actually get in those boxes. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies of all new videos I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So do follow me on all social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So this was supposed to be a video. My patrons chose my video for this month, so it was supposed to be actually for August, but long story short, there was like a lot of eyebrow tattoo removal things, and that's why my eyebrows look pretty bad because they're very sore right now. I'm technically not supposed to film, but I'm filming 2 videos today because I need content. It's been a long time. The healing for the second session, it's bad because this time I blistered, the skin fell off, and they're still very sore, so I couldn't really do a very good job with that pencil, so excuse the eyebrow look. This was supposed to be, again, video chosen by my patrons. So by the time I got the feedback, what they wanted to see, and mostly it was like Missa wanted to see it, a lot of other people wanted to see Colourpop. I'm like, okay. So Colourpop mystery boxes were sold out. And like a week later or so, I went again to look, and they're all back. So okay, back in stock. So the more expensive one was like $190 or $100, $99. I think it was like a $99. This was $49, and the cheapest one was like a 20 something, if I'm not mistaken. So I chose like a middle of the road, medium one. I saw reviews, people said it was good, so you know. This was $49, and with the discount code, 10% off. I got it for $44.10 with the tax and everything. It was $48.29. So what I did, I went through each item, and I could show you receipts, the screenshots. Actually, I might show you screenshots somewhere here. What they actually cost. My phone just fell. Excuse me. Butterfinger. Anyway, so all of this, each item, summed up together, all of this summed up together, it's $54.60. So I saved myself a whopping $6. It says full value is $102, but in reality it's $56. But I think that everything's on sale right now. But even though it's all on sale, I'm kind of still expecting to get the value. If I can get right now all of these items separately for the same price, pretty much, what's the point? You know what I mean? You know, if everything is on sale, then the mystery box should be on sale too. You know what I mean? Kind of makes no sense, because right now the sale is going on, everything's cheap. So this box, it's actually not sold out, it's still available. See? So you get this box $49, but you get everything for $56. Like right now, like Peter Mon says, I'm bitter. But you know, I wouldn't be that bitter if I didn't get the crap. Well, and I'm telling you it's crap because I've got problems with it. So this is strawberry papaya face milk. I don't know what this is. If it's supposed to look like this, it's kind of like, it looks like there's bubbles inside. It's probably supposed to look like that, but not now. I'm kind of questioning everything. It smells funny. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. I don't know. It's kind of like a strawberry shake, I think. But it's, now I'm like questioning because I'm gonna show you what else came here. Alright, so this was originally $14. Right now it's $5.25. So I'm not 100% sure, but what, you know, chances are it's okay. This one is Soul Shimmering Dry Oil, and this was originally $10. Now it's on sale for $7.50. So actually, I might show you a little sample. I'm gonna show you which items I have problems with and which items I'm kind of disgusted by. So this looks very nice actually. Oh yeah, this looks very nice. It smells nice. So I think this one is okay to use. So yep, this one I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna use it if I go out somewhere. It would be nice. So I'm going with a skincare-ish item. So next we got, I'm gonna go with the ones I have no problems with, and then I'm gonna get to the point, to all the tea and all the shade, people. And you're gonna be gagging for this elegance. Anyway, we got the lip gloss. I have a couple of lip glosses, so I'm not sure. Ultra glossy lip. It says PS. I'm not sure what the name. Not sure what the name of the color is because I looked on the website. I don't see the name, but similar ultra glossy lips. They're $8 originally. Right now they're $3, and yeah, I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not sure. I'm not gonna keep it. So I'm not into warm colors like this, and I would never buy something like that. I mean, the lip gloss, I usually like the clear. To me, it should be clear. So this one I put away. Next, another lip product. So this one, So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and this was originally $8. Right now it's $3 in the color Old Talk. And again, same thing. I'm not gonna open it. I mean, I'm gonna open to show you the package, but so this one is gonna go into the pile of giveaway because that's not the color I'm gonna use, but it might be useful for somebody else. So this is Jelly Matcha eyeshadow. Again, this kind of items, I don't know if anybody put their fingers in it. So this was $9. Now it's $1.35. So literally, I could have bought everything myself if I really wanted these items, which I don't want any of these items. I'm gonna read them for the filth. The color is Saguaro. So that's what it looks like. When I open it, the stopper is there. Everything looks clean, so I don't think it's been altered in any way. Actually, this one looks pretty, so I might play with this. It doesn't smell bad, so like I'm very suspicious right now because I'll show you. I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you why I'm suspicious. Imperial single eyeshadow, but I'm not gonna open it because I can't use it. I don't use warm tones like that. It's like that's not for me. So it's $4.50 original, and now it's $3.38. So I might keep it for like to put it in the giveaway box because it's brand new eyeshadow. So next one is a cream gel color, and this was actually I'm curious about. I think this is supposed to be like a, you can use it as a primer for the eyeshadow, I would imagine. So this was $7, now it's $2.62. And they shoved all of the sale items in my box. So I don't see any value right now. So this color is Stardust. It looks like a pale yellow, so could be like eyeshadow base, I guess. I mean, I'm open to try something like this, so that's not bad. Also, there is a Birthday Wish Super Shock eyeshadow, and actually I already have it. I'm not like that crazy about the formula. I heard that people like crazy about this formula, but for me it was just okay. Maybe some people like it. I could actually put this in giveaway boxes. I'm not gonna open it. So this, the Super Shock eyeshadow right now, on sale, $5.25 each, and originally $7. So also the one I do like here is the glitter, because I mean, why not? I like pressed glitter. I know most people don't, but I do. And the color is really actually pretty. Okay, so excuse me, the total might be over $56. Might be like a more of a 60-ish, because I forgot about this one. I did not include it. This one is $3.75 and it was $5 before. So it's actually very pretty glitter. I'm definitely keeping this. So I might give you a swatcheroo so you can see. It's a pretty glitter, really, really nice. So now we get into the problematic part. And these are the two eyeshadow palettes that, to me, in my opinion, the ugly AF. but I don't like neutrals and I don't like warm tones. So, and besides, I'm not a fan of whatever that is. In Soviet Union, we did not have Animal Crossing. I think it's a game, right? It's a game. So, I mean, it's cute and all, but I have no idea what that is, and I'm not into the color. But that's not the problem, even. And I got the lipsticks. So let's go with the eyeshadow palettes. They're originally $12 each of them, and now they're $9 each. So this one is What a Hood. So this one, I pretty much, it might be okay, but there is a little dent on the brown eyeshadow. This is very minor, but considering the other palette, I'm already kind of looking with a side eye and everything, so I wasn't sure about it, so I'm gonna put this away. I mean, I wouldn't be using it even if it was in a good condition, just not me. But in this kind of condition, I'm like, I don't know. I'm just gonna get to the best part right now. A Star Island one. This is the one that made me scratch my head. So, this is it, people. I did not alter it. I did not do anything with it. I opened it, and here's the fingerprint. If whatever that is, if don't tell me it's not a fingerprint. It literally is a dent. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's literally, there is a dent in this eyeshadow. It's glitter, actually. It's pressed glitter. It's such an obvious dent, like somebody went like this. What? I mean, seriously, Colourpop? It's just something dingy looking about it. It just made me feel so squirmish. And I think the best part is the lipstick. It's more of like a, you remember the old Jekyll and Hill lipstick scandal, but they all have some kind of prints on them. So that's one of those things. This was so easy to open too, guys. Like, it's literally as if somebody already opened it. Maybe it's my imagination, but wait for it. This is a lipsticks. Actually, the color is real cool. Cool brown. I'm not mad at it. Soft side. It's called soft side, the colors. And this lipstick is, let's see, this was $7 and on sales $5.25. And this looks like this. And again, you guys know me. I'm not playing. I don't alter anything in my videos. So you'll see. When you open it, you'll see. Probably I can see it on my camera actually. The dents. It's dented. Some kind of prints there. Some kind of marks on the side too. And I saw that. I was so disgusted. I'm like, I'm not touching this. I'm not putting it anywhere near my mouth. And then I saw the eyeshadow with this finger to something. I'm like, Colourpop, what are you doing? I mean, $49 is not much. I mean, but it's kind of a lot to pay. You know, I was expecting to get value, like a real get value out of mystery box, maybe a bigger palette inside, and something more desirable than this SHIT. And especially in that kind of condition, I'm like, girl, what are you doing here? Like, why are you sending me this crap? And now I'm kind of, you see why I'm questioning the rest of it. What if the rest of it has been fingered? So I sent them the customer service email. I'm filming today. Today is actually September 6th, and today is Labor Day. So they're not gonna get it until tomorrow, probably, or the day after. I send them the pictures and everything. So I'm just giving them a benefit of a doubt, and I'm expecting to get a customer service response and refund or something. If they want to, they can give me a return label. I can ship it all back to them because I'm not really interested. And that brings me to my conclusion that neither of these mystery boxes, any of them, are ever worth it. I ordered once a Profusion mystery box, and they put a bunch of stuff like that didn't sell before, like the old palettes. They're real awful, and a couple of good ones, but most of it was kind of meh, and some of it was real bad. And I was like, I'll never order a mystery box again, ever, from anyone. And but the girls are like, but it's Colourpop, it can't be that bad. I'm just lucky with the bad mystery boxes. I don't think it's worth it. Just to be honest, like, why would a brand put anything that they can easily sell for the full price in a mystery box? I think mystery boxes, it's what cannot be sold. Like, if something is not popular, they just shove it in there. So, and if it's not popular, I don't want it either. I don't think I'll be ordering any mystery boxes from anyone ever again. So that concludes the end of my experience with the mystery boxes. So if you guys had fun, then I'm happy for you. Missa, enjoy this SHIT show. I'm just having fun with it because the bottom line, it's the mystery, it's fun, right? You open the box and see a bunch of crap that you don't want. But I think I'll pass from now on. So let me know what you guys think if you ever ordered Colourpop mystery box. I believe that some of them are actually nice because I saw good reviews. So maybe I just got bad box, you know. I don't think they always put like a used makeup or some kind of problematic things like this. I'm just kind of kidding, like kicking about. I hope you understand I'm making jokes and fun. But because otherwise it would be more complaints. Because most of the reviews are nice. So. But still, I think I'm gonna pass from now on from all the mystery boxes. So again, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if I haven't yet. Upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. Do follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thanks you so much for sticking with me, and thank you for supporting my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!